Don't know what we're in, coastal wave or whatever, but just I've come up from about 500 feet, just sat on the brakes a bit, and I'm just shooting up. And I'm just noticing the clouds forming around me. See over there? And I'm going backwards. Still going up. 830, 833, 36, 840. Fucking hoofing, man, and it's just gone really smooth at the moment. Still going up. 890. 900. 950. Elevator ride to hell. I'm not even on the cliff ridge, and it's got warmer. I'm in the warm air. Check that out. Yeehaw! Even if I am going backwards. Approaching 1,000. 1,000 feet. There it is. Above the clouds. Shame I've got to land for a barbecue.